The purpose of these events is to mingle not only with the dealer but also with the customers. Customer is always number one. We want the customers to see that Kirby-Smith is committed to them, just as all of the manufacturers are committed to Kirby-Smith, and to see the teamwork and camaraderie that has been built over the years.
So we're just wanting to show them our appreciation for their business and that we're here to support them. We primarily specialize on the crane product lines. Our technicians are all factory trained. That's probably the one main thing that differentiates us here from our competition, is how well our crane technicians are trained.
Kirby-Smith's a valued partner for Broderson Manufacturing. They're one of our key distributors. They keep a rental fleet, they do new sales. Very important that we work with our distributors and that we get the chance to meet our customers. So an event like this is really good, not only to support our dealers but to meet our customers.
I've always felt like Kirby-Smith is smaller, very family oriented. We treat our employees like their family, especially in a smaller branch like this. We depend on each other, and it's just a team that works together and an enjoyable place to work.
We really enjoy the FaceTime with the customers. This is the bright spot of our days.